This week at Ideal Construction, the bricklayers had finished the porch so we could get the traditional roof built on this wraparound open plan kitchen extension. The roof is absolutely bomb-proof. Stay tuned for episode 3. Oh, come on for that. Come on, that was nailed, that one. We are in Chorlton today and we're going to be building a pitch roof. We've got the wall plates on, the ridge beam in. I'm just cutting up all the rafters and then we're going to start fitting. We're just going to completely cut everything up and then fit later on in the day. So as you can see now, we've got all the spars in. We're literally just setting out the velux. How we work our velux with windows out is we work them out so it works tile, so there's no short course underneath them. Grab that handy and pull it through. So we've got a velux going here, a velux going here, and it's going to be a mirror image on the opposite side. I've kept it just slightly off yours, yeah? That's it for today for us. As you can see, we've pretty much built all this back roof. Tomorrow morning when I come in, I've got just to finish off the 2 veluxes on this side. Got to put my ladder spar in. Follow me. And what we're going to do is we're going to get all this side, the side part of the roof in, and then we're going to go around the front here and we're going to get this porch in by tomorrow. There's 2 veluxes going in into this side, and this porch roof wraps around and goes over the bay as well. So, should be a busy day tomorrow. So for weeks now we've been getting absolutely shit sand from MKM. So I put in a complaint again today. The sand guy from the quarry's just come out and he said the sand is not right, it's to give us the wrong sand. And basically it's not binding properly, so you just can't mix it. So it's absolutely terrible. So they're giving us that free of charge and they're dropping us some good sand out to finish off. Right, so that's all the spars pretty much done on this side. Got 2 veluxes set out. The lads, I've just sent the lads off to the shop to get the lunch. I've got another team around the corner working on a double-storey extension, which is a new project, and I'm literally going to fly around there and check on to see how they're getting on. ain't that bad, is it?
It's just getting a machine in it. You know what I mean?
Yeah, but you only have to hand dig to here, won't you?
Yeah. But not if it's there.
That's concrete.
Yeah. So how big machine anyway? The reach on that far anyway, isn't it?
That one far. You'd kind of get to the bifold, the doors, won't you?
Yeah.
Do you know what I mean? We know the ground's sandy anyway, so the dig's not going to be that bad round here.
Yeah. By the time you've got that out as well, you're halfway there, aren't you?
Yeah. That's about 600, isn't it? 500. So half the dig's done, isn't it?
Random, that, innit?
Yeah. This wall is staying in, you know that, don't you?
Yeah. It's not a party wall.
I know, but it's staying in.
The ceiling there with the aluminium, and then suspended ceiling here with the timber frame, and that bit.
Just it is what it is. If it takes you the rest of the week to get it all down, I'm not arsed as long as I'm digging out for Monday, do you know what I mean? So that's the end of day 2. We've got all the roof built on the back, all the roof built on the side. We've actually started coming around the front. We've got probably an hour or 2 on it in the morning on the porch, and Andy and Chris are going to start felting and battening. We're going to get this whole roof watertight tomorrow. So it's a bit of a different start this morning. I'm literally flying over to Wilmslow to finalise a job, and then I'm straight over in Handforth to finalise another job. So that's 2 projects that I've quoted recently, which we've won. We're just going to finalise them with the clients now. So that's 2 jobs I've just been to view. I'm going to go home, text them over, message them over what dates we have left in the diary. So the first job that we went to see over in Wilmslow was a big back extension, flat roof, parapet. It has a lantern, sliders going all, opening up all the back, and full K-ren going round. But the second job was a wraparound extension, sliders again, and a pitch roof going all around, similar to what we've been doing on our other projects. So that's it for this episode this week. Stay tuned to see further progress next week on the project.